friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bailey Daily Husbands. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of January 2023 in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's take a peek. Alrighty friends, so first month of the year done in the book, so to speak. I always like to use extra bits and pieces of deco on my index pages. I don't know, I just feel like it livens things up. I love that these are so plain in the Plum paper so that I can do that. These are a couple of little deco pieces that I pulled from the Chrissy Designs Celebrations sticker book that I got from Michael's. Oh, I want to say I might have gotten it in 2021. Even I think I've had it that long. So just a cute little snowman and some snow. We had record snow in the mountains in the Sierras just east of where we live. So super excited about all of the skiing opportunities we hope to have this season. Alrighty, let's go ahead and flip to the highlights page. Okay, so here we are with the highlights. I am not doing my journaling. I'm doing that after I film the flip through just so that, you know, keeps it private. Anyways, this kit is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's kit 197. It's called Winter Night, and I love this kit. It reminds me so much. It kind of reminds me of like Van Gogh artwork. Anywho's, I've got this little guy here, again, from that same Chrissy Designs Celebrations booklet. I've got this Progress, Not Perfection. This is a quote from a sheet from Planner Kate. These scripts here are from Nicole Hutch Designs. These check boxes here are from Saya Planning. These here are from Nicole Hutch Designs as well. And then this little podcast sticker here is from Planner Kate. I finally finished When Life Gives You Lululemons. It's the book that was written by the same author that wrote The Devil Wears Prada. And this book is sort of the continuation after The Devil Wears Prada. It's Emily's story and what she goes on to do with her life after leaving Runway. I started a new book, The Good Girl's Guide to Murder. This was a Christmas gift from my coworker. Emma tore through it in like 24 hours. She loved it, so now I'm reading it. And then I started listening to two new podcasts, Undetermined, which is a true crime, and then Skyline Drive, which is so good. I've talked about it in some of my past Plan With Me's through January. Really good. So I'm listening to that. And then TV. I think I mentioned this too in past Plan With Me's, The Menu. What a dark, strange movie. It was good, but it was definitely strange. Doggone, that was a sweet one with Rob Lowe. Yellowstone. So we're all caught up. We are like midway through season 5, and then they're taking this like long break. So we're waiting for the rest of the season to come out, and then continuing with my favorite Abbott Elementary, and then watching a new series to me called Will Trent. This is kind of a fun one that I like as well. So again, just I'll keep this for journaling. I'll do that after the flip through, but loved all of the patterns, the washi here, the circles, so cute. Okay, so here, same kit, just the monthly view. I love the way they're doing the scripts here on the Plum paper, how they're separate. It's so cute. Oh, let me move this so it's out of the way. So a lot of these boxes here, the paw, the basketball, here again, here again, here again. These are a couple of old Planner Kate functional boxes that I purchased like in one of her big warehouse sales. I don't believe they're still available, but I'm just trying to use through them. I really like them. They're a nice way for me to just indicate where we have games and where Otis has vet appointments, that kind of thing. These are functional to the kit. And then these here, these cute little flags are as well. Let's see, what else do I have in here? Oh, these little airplanes are also old sheets from Planner Kate. I love these. I had a retreat for work at the end of the month, so I love that this was the day we flew out and this was the day we flew home. I did miss a game here, but that's okay. The Holy Hoops game was the big game that I wanted to make sure I was home for. Let's see, everything else came with the kit, I think. Yep, we had a couple of birthdays. Oh, and then these holiday scripts, these are from Fern Creek Stickers. I love these sheets because I love them in the monthly view. They're just very simple, straightforward, but it's just a little bit cuter than the regular printed holiday that came with my book. So that's the monthly view. And then this was a duplicate week. So because most of these dates fell in December, I planned that in my previous planner in December. I did a little swatching here. I was trying to find a blue match. Okay, so week 1. This is a Fern Creek stickers kit. It's number 145. It's called Winter Wonderland. I just love these boxes. They're so cute. So let's see. A lot of it came from the kit, and a lot of it, friends, is just my usuals. So the Tatus and the Otis Mids here, these are from Saya Planning. The Costco and the Safeway, these are customs from Phoenix Plans. Laundry, that came with the kit. This Happy Birthday is a custom from Saya Planning. And then Vet Appointment, this is also from Fern Creek Stickers. The timestamp is from Saya Planning, but the basketball game script is from Phoenix Plans. And then we were supposed to go out of town, but I was so worried that the snow, there was a storm coming into the mountains that we wouldn't be able to get back home. And my new hire was starting on that Monday, the 9th. I ended up not going. So Scott and Sophie went, and then Emma and I stayed home. And it was really sweet because Emma's best friends from high school, everyone was home for winter break from college. They made me dinner and dessert, and we had a movie night. It was really fun. This staff meeting is from Ever-Changing Plans, and then this time sticker, the 1030, is from Phoenix Plans. So I kind of switch between Saya Planning and Phoenix Plans just depending on what time sticker I need, what I have available. So again, that same Phoenix Plans. This tracker is from Orange Umbrella Co., but the scripts here are from Saya Planning. And then I think this little rain icon came from a freebie. And then again, Phoenix Plans here. Time stickers are Saya Planning. So this is how my week turned out. Got some good steps in here on the weekend. I was doing my walking. We were kind of in and out of a lot of rain, so I was trying to hit when I could do a walk and kind of miss the rain. This was a day off, so because the first was on a Sunday, we had Monday as a holiday. So I got a lot of steps in there, 5.5 miles. So this is the first week. And then flipping into the second week. So this is the weekly kit of my monthly that I use. This is Orange Umbrella Co. 197 again, Winter Night. So again, lots coming from the kit. These check boxes here came from Saya Planning, I believe, this week. And then a lot of the similar things, Ever-Changing Plans, Saya Planning, Saya Planning, Saya Planning, Phoenix Plans, just a lot of my usuals. My younger brother's birthday was here, so again, that happy birthday script is a custom from Saya Planning. Little basketballs from Planner Kate. I was in my kind of moving through just about halfway through our bowling league here on this week. Let's see what else. Time stickers, again, either from Saya Planning or from Phoenix Plans. And then this here, I used the individual habit tracking boxes from the kit, and then I needed a fourth one, so I just pulled this from a sheet that I had from Planner Kate. And then this little Get It Done, this is from Nicole Hutch Designs. Again, all these scripts and the little paw are from Saya Planning. And then this little quote, never stop looking up, that's actually from Simply Smith. I have a sheet of just quotes from that shop as well. So again, just looking at my steps, kind of averaging out. Not too bad. This was a good day because I think I was able to get a walk in. Yeah, I had a walk here, but I couldn't do a walk here. So lots of rain. We had lots of rain this week. I just think this is so pretty. Look at how pretty this looks. This reminds me kind of like of bubbles, I think, more than like clouds. I don't know. I just think they're so pretty. So that's how this week turned out. And then this kit, I really liked this kit. I loved this pattern here. This is Planner Kate. It's kit 501. It's called Winter Dreams. So lots from the kit, and then of course, a lot of my usuals. So again, habit tracker here from Orange Umbrella Co. with Saya Planning scripts. The kit, this is the new paw print that Planner Kate has in her weekly kits, but then I included this one here from Saya as well. And then Phoenix Plans. I've been using here, I was using these little hydrate trackers from a freebie, so I did that there. Look at the No School. Isn't that cute with the little backpack to do? These are from Saya, but these edit and upload, these ones are from Fern Creek Stickers. And then this staff meeting is a Planner Kate. Again, the time stickers, either Saya Planning or Phoenix Plans. Basketball game from Phoenix Plans. And then the basketballs are from Planner Kate. Look at the clean house. This is so cute. I don't know if you can see this little, like, appliance here. I'm going to call it, because I don't want to call it a vacuum, although it's probably meant to be a vacuum. It looks just like my Bissell steam cleaner. And then I love the little RX. I had to refill Otis's meds. Commissary is a custom from Phoenix. And then Target is also from Phoenix Plans. I love this. So I was calling to schedule my spa appointment during my Vegas trip that I'm going to go on at the end of March. And so I loved it. I put a little phone, call spa. That's what that means. And then I went grocery shopping with Emma to pick up some groceries for her because I had to take her back to school. So this was also Chinese New Year's. And since we had to go back and take Emma back to school, we didn't celebrate with my family on this weekend. We waited till the following. And again, just using a little sticker there to indicate my bowling. So not a lot, no walks here in this week because again, we had a ton of rain. But look at how pretty this is. Isn't that pretty? I love this too. Okay, so then the next week, this is Fern Creek Stickers, Kit 149 called Winter Days. Look at how pretty these are. I loved all of these wreath boxes. So cute. So I had to leave town for my retreat this week. So I have here, again, the usuals. These came from the kit, but the to-dos are from Saya Planning, Phoenix Plans here. Again, a hydration sticker from a freebie, the Orange Umbrella Co. tracker with my Saya scripts, little paw from Saya. This came from the kit. More scripts from Phoenix Plans. I just thought this was so pretty. Look at how pretty all of this artwork is, all the little leaves. And then this little flight info box, this is from Planner Kate. I love this. So I could put my flight info in here when I left and when we came back. And then what I did here was just kind of listed out the running time of what the day was going to look like here and here. So, and then this little bowling sticker, this is another old one from Planner Kate. Again, I bought it during a warehouse sale. I went to see if she still had it on her site because one of my new planner friends was asking about it and it doesn't look like she has it. So she does have other little like icon stickers with just a bowling ball and pins. So I'm trying to use these up. I didn't get a ton of walks in, but when I was out of town for work, I did track some of the minutes that popped up on my watch with my walking. But look at the steps that I was doing at our retreat. So Thursday and Friday were kind of our busiest days. And then Saturday, as we loaded up and came home, kind of a little bit less mileage, but 7.12 miles on Friday. So that's that. Okay, and so for this week, because most of the days fall in February, I planned this in my February monthly. So this is just a duplicate week. I had some notes here, so that's what this is covering up. And then my monthly cleaning page, again, it's washi from that Orange Umbrella Co. kit that I love, the Winter Nights. And so I did pretty well with keeping up with my daily and weekly tasks. Got most things done the first couple of weeks, and then I was out of town here, so I wasn't doing any daily fives here. I was trying to get caught up. It was so hard because it was like I got home and things were just rolling. So on this particular week, I got the vacuuming and the mopping done, watering my plants, but I didn't get the bathrooms done the following week. I scrubbed and stuff. So anyways, I'm finally caught up now, but it took me a while to get back on track. With the whole house declutter, I did do some decluttering. Like I picked an area in each room of the house and just kind of like cleaned out that drawer, cleaned out that closet, or, that kind of thing. I wasn't like I was able to really go through like super, super thoroughly, but friends, I did the best that I can. I wanted to spend time with Emma. And so I did what I could. Same with my rotating tasks. I spot clean the furniture. I definitely do that. With Otis jumping up on the sofa, I do that every month. I just can't keep him off of it, friends. Polish the wood furniture. We did not change the filters. I did not get the oven clean. It's something that I probably should do this month. But I did wipe down the appliances. So that was really good. So that's it for my main planner. So here we can take a look at how January turned out in my social media. Not great in terms of posting on Instagram. Super busy getting ready to leave on retreat and then also trying to spend time with Emma. But I just wanted to show you again how beautiful this kit was. I just love this kit. This was from Fern Creek Stickers. It was $149. I did the weekly with that kit. It was gorgeous. And so I didn't have any extra washi, so I pulled this from Planner Kate. And then this little YouTube is from Big Elephant Plans, Film, Edit, and Upload. These are from Saya Planning, and so I just kind of use this as my little checklist to make sure I'm getting all my videos filmed, edited, upload, the thumbnail made, and then when I'm posting it live on my channel. And then I love this where I'm keeping track of what my monthly kits are. So just my Plum paper, my Happy Planner, which is my budget, my Erin Condren, which is my social media, and then the Clean Mama, which is just a monthly page, as you saw in the back of my each month in my planner, and then what I used for my weekly kits. So this I wrote down because this was the week of New Year's, but because it posted here on the Sunday was the 1st. I actually planned it in my old planner the last week of December, but it posted with January because the Sunday fell in January. So that's why I have 5 weeks here. So yeah, that's that. And then the rest is just notes that I was taking while I was filming my videos. So that's it, friends. Let me pull the other planner back. So yeah, I'm keeping the 2023 cover on my social media. I left the Bloom Where You Are Planted, even though it's a little springy looking. I did kind of like it, as bloom is my word for the year, which I still have to film that video, friends. Alrighty, that's it for this flip through. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.